Casement window installation in Deltona is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of window style options available, Deltona residents can select the perfect design to complement their home's architecture. Custom window solutions in Deltona ensure that each installation meets the specific needs and preferences of the homeowner. Casement windows. Deltona energy-efficient windows in Deltona are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Deltona window energy audits can help identify areas where energy-efficient upgrades are needed, such as double-glazed windows and window insulation services. These improvements not only lower utility bills but also contribute to a more sustainable environment. Window frame replacement in Deltona is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Deltona window frame services offer a range of materials and styles to choose from, ensuring a perfect fit for any home. Whether you're looking for a modern or traditional look, Deltona has the window frame solutions you need. Casement windows. Deltona double-glazed windows in Deltona provide excellent insulation and noise reduction benefits. These windows are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round while minimizing outside noise. Deltona residents can enjoy a quieter, more peaceful living environment with the installation of double-glazed windows. Window seal installation in Deltona is vital for preventing drafts and maintaining energy efficiency. Deltona window seal installation services ensure that your windows are properly sealed, reducing the risk of air leaks and improving overall performance. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your windows and enhance their efficiency. Custom windows in Deltona offer homeowners the opportunity to create unique and personalized window designs. Deltona custom window solutions cater to a variety of styles and preferences, allowing for a truly bespoke window installation. From unique shapes to specialized glass options, Deltona has it all. Window glass upgrade in Deltona can significantly improve the performance and appearance of your windows. Deltona window glass upgrade services offer a range of options, including energy-efficient and UV protective glass. These upgrades not only enhance your home's aesthetic but also provide additional benefits like improved insulation and reduced glare. Home window renovation in Deltona is an excellent way to update your home's appearance and functionality. Deltona home window renovation services offer comprehensive solutions, from window hardware replacement to complete window overhauls. Transform your home with the latest window technologies and designs available in Deltona. Window hardware replacement in Deltona is essential for maintaining the functionality and security of your windows. Deltona window hardware replacement services provide high-quality components to ensure smooth operation and enhanced security features. Keep your windows in top condition with regular hardware updates. Window style options in Deltona are vast, offering something for every taste and architectural style. Deltona window style options include everything from classic casement windows to modern sliding designs. Explore the diverse range of styles available in Deltona to find the perfect match for your home. For top-notch casement window installation in Deltona, look no further. Our expert team specializes in energy-efficient windows. Deltona, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. With our window frame replacement services, you can enhance both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your home. We offer custom window solutions tailored to your specific needs, including double-glazed windows. Deltona for superior insulation and noise reduction. Deltona window seal installation is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Our window maintenance services include comprehensive window leak installation. Deltona, ensuring your home remains protected from the elements. Upgrade your home with our window glass upgrade services, providing enhanced UV protection and energy efficiency. Our window design consultation. Deltona helps you choose the perfect window style options to complement your home's architecture. Enhance your home's security with our window security features. Deltona. Our window hardware replacement services ensure your windows operate smoothly and securely. For those seeking window aesthetic enhancement Deltona, we offer a range of window tinting services to improve both privacy and style. Our window cost estimation Deltona provides transparent pricing, so you know exactly what to expect. Our Deltona window insulation services are designed to keep your home energy efficient and comfortable. We provide window weatherproofing Deltona to protect against harsh weather conditions. Our window sash replacement Deltona ensures your windows are in top condition, while our window screen installation Deltona keeps pests out. Trust us for all your home window renovation Deltona needs, including window pane replacement and window noise reduction Deltona. For a comprehensive window energy audit Deltona, our experts assess your current windows and recommend improvements. Our window UV protection Deltona services help preserve your interior furnishings from sun damage. With our window style options Deltona, you can choose from a variety of designs to suit your taste. Our window design consultation services ensure you make informed decisions for your home's window upgrades. Casement windows Deltona.